What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? This is gonna be a voiceover for my first time at Supercharged over at Edison, New Jersey. I think it's really called Supercharged Entertainment. I'm not really sure, but my first time ever go-karting. I started off late. Everybody left me, so I started out late. It's my first time go-karting. Never done this before. Had to figure out, controls, handles, everything, gas, brake. Took me a little while. I missed the introduction when they were pretty much giving us a breakdown on how to, use the controls, how to go about racing on the track. I missed all of that because I had to go back to the car and drop some stuff off. I ain't want to put it in the locker. They provide you with lockers to put your stuff like phones, keys, anything like that, your wallet. They don't want you to carry anything like that because it could fall out. So they provide you with lockers. But me, I ain't want to put it in the locker, so I put it in the car. But I missed everything because of that. But anyway, yeah, got back late, started out late. This is why you don't see anyone on the track. Everyone pretty much left me. I pretty much figured everything out around by this time. Yeah, around here, figuring out the turns, how to turn, speed and everything, brake. I think we were supposed to stay closer to the right when turning, but like I said, I missed the instructions and everything that they were giving at the beginning. So yeah, just watch this video. Got some music playing. I gotta have some music playing. There's gonna be some music playing, so enjoy the music. When the music's over, you're gonna hear some of the live action sounds of what was actually happening during the race. I had a great time. I truly recommend that you I really recommend that you try this spot out, man. Again, it's Supercharged Entertainment in Edison, New Jersey. I'm gonna go back and then probably give you guys a longer vlog on the experience. But yeah, this is just my race. Again, it's my first time ever go-karting. My first time.